purposes, how to assist doctor in stitching. As soon as doctor hold the needle inside needle holder, nurse must catch the tip of the stitch. The tip of the stitch. The tip of the stitch and the tip of the. Okay. Don't hold too hard, otherwise you damage the stitch. Then, as soon as doctor put needle through the stitch, and when the doctor pulls the needle, nurse must follow. Otherwise, doctor will pull the needle very fast. The stitch will go through. When there is a lot of bleeding, stitching must be done very fast. So this must be automatic. And then the stitch, the tip of it must be bring to the tip of the needle holder, so that if the doctor cannot see, he can always easily do that. Let go the stitch, then hold again, do that. Bring it up to the, let's see, so that again bring up to the stitch. Sorry. Okay. So this is how you must assist. Okay, we'll do it again. Okay, quickly hold the tip of the stitch, so that even if doctor closes his eyes, he can do the stitching. Bring it up now. Alright. Hold. Bring it to the doctor. Right. Hold. So this way you can do stitch very fast, especially when patient is bleeding. You want to stop bleeding very fast. This is best way. Thank you very much.